North East Students Organization ringkat bat kiwe kiseng beper jong kadong syatay lam mingi menta kesngi kila pelong ye jingpyrshah halor jingpyniap siat yap jong paidbah nong Shillong Naga Haoting Hamon District jong Nagaland hakishipai Assam Rifles. Ye kini jingpyrshah la pelong hakmat jong mod kiang nangba Shillong. Barok kinong kren hakati kesngi kila penrem jur ye kata jing siat jong kishipai ye paidbah bat kade kekam kaupur. Kinong kren kila dawaru bade benweng no yakaan Armed Forces Special Powers Act kaba ai lan ye kishipai ban pindon kam ye kata kabor ke ikhtiar bala binshet haki. Ye kini jingpyrshah la penkut da thang mombeti kum kadak jing snolem ye kitu kibasha siat yap bat ikibah ying hasem jongki.
To express in strongest terms our protest against the security forces who on that fateful night, fateful day on the 4th of December have perpetrated a heinous crime, a barbaric act towards the villagers of Oting in the Mon district of Nagaland, which resulted to the death of 14 villagers and injuries to many others. Well, brothers and sisters, this is not a one-off incident that happened in Nagaland. This particular incident has brought back bitter memories of the past, where villagers in Manipur, in Nagaland have suffered this same fate, where the army personnel, the security forces, they'll just come and swoop down on a village and kill the men folk, rape the women folk, and torture the innocent villagers for days on end. This has been happening since 1950s till today. The security forces in the whole of the northeastern region have been committing these crimes from time to time. We have seen the operations in the state of Assam. We have seen the suppression, the oppression by the armed forces in the state of Tripura. And also, we must have heard about the bombing in Aizawl, in Mizoram in 1966 by the Air Force of the Indian Armed Forces. Well, brothers and sisters, we used to wonder why this is happening in the northeastern states of India. Is it because of the factors that the government of India this portrays, the mindset and attitude of the government of India that they have towards the people of the northeastern region? Is it because that we are different in looks and features? We eat differently, our language is different, our culture is different. And also, is it because that the indigenous people of the northeastern region have been demanding for their rights, for their protection from any internal and external aggression right from the time when India has got in, because of this barbaric act committed by the trigger-happy security forces of that area. NESO is organizing this protest in the whole of the northeastern region, in the different states, in all the states of northeastern region, the state capital, and also here in Meghalaya, also in Tura, in the Nagaland Hills district, to express our resentment, our protest against the government of India, the armed forces, and also to show our solidarity with the people in Nagaland, to show that we are one, even though we are divided physically through artificial boundaries, but emotionally we are one. If the people of Nagaland are suffering, the whole of northeastern region is also suffering. And this we have to stand united against any forces that are inimical to our interests. They will try to divide us in order to weaken our resolve, in order to weaken our fight. But we have to be aware of all these forces who are against the interests of the unity of the northeastern region. And once again, I call upon each and every one of us that we should stand united in our fight against this draconian law. And I call upon the respective state governments of each of the state of the northeastern region that they should push the central government for the repeal of this draconian act from the whole of the northeastern region. And if the government of India doesn't listen to the voice of the people, it only shows two things: that it treats the northeastern region as a colony, not as a part of a nation or part of a country. And at the same time, it wants to impose this draconian law in order to suppress and oppress the voice of the people through military might. But this will have an after effect. It will further alienate the indigenous people of the northeastern region. With these few words, I thank you.
Killing the civilians by the armed forces, and this kind of act should not be happening in the future again, because this is really sad when we think the armed kill the civilians. Actually, the army were to guide for the country, but they kill for the people. That is a sad thing. So we should all pray and should not make it not happen again, this kind of thing. Thank you.